Hey, thanks for ordering EZ-Kini. Okay, first, the installation is pretty simple. There's two pieces. This is the top rail. This is what the actual bikini top fits into. And this is the locking rail. Locking rail has 6 holes in it, and it is 48 inches long. So the first thing you need to do is you need to measure your windshield channel. Mark the center of it on the inside of the slip. Mark the center. And then our holes are going to be drilled at 2 inches from center, 12 inches from center, and 23.5 inches from center. So on the other side of this lip, go ahead and make those marks at 2, 12, and 23.5. But also make a very clear mark on the inside at the midpoint. And you can find the midpoint pretty easily. Don't try to line up on the Scout. You can find the midpoint easily from the roof holes right here. These are 12 inches. So if you find 6, that's center. So go ahead and make a really good mark on that at center. Then you can then we can begin. Okay, the kit comes with obviously the top, the strapping to keep it tight. It comes with six screws to lock down the locking rail, and instructions. But you also have this video. So let's walk you through this. For installation, you should have some vice grips or welding clamps or some really good A clamps, but I think the vice grips are probably better suited for this. So first thing is, the top of the window frame has a bend. These are straight, no bends. So first thing you do is you take the top channel, that's the one with the curve in it with the slot, and mark the center. The center will already be marked as you receive it, but find the center point and line it up with your center point. Then you take your L rail, and the holes go against this edge. So you have a short up and down and a longer front to rear. So the short up and down goes up and down. So find your center mark. Put this on the center mark. Where's the center mark? There's the center mark. And hold it in place. Now, take your vice grip, and you want to make sure this is tight. So put the L rail against this back rail, press it down, get your vice grip ready, and as you're about to lock it down, push down. I want to make that a little tighter. So everything's centered. Double check. You only want to do this once. Okay. Everything's in place. Press down and lock. Get another vice grip. And on this side, do the same. Press down and lock. Okay, now your center is locked in place. This rail isn't going anywhere, it's all snug. So now, take your screw gun, and these are number 6 self-biting metal screws, sheet metal screws. So put it in the hole, put it at a slight downward angle, and screw in slowly. I like to set it on loose so I don't strip the threads. Okay, that one's in. Now repeat as you go. So now take your clamp, your vice grip, and put it on the outside of the number 12 hole. Press down firmly, lock it in place. Now, since you're at the end and this has a curve to it, make sure the bottom rail, the one that the top goes into, make sure it's down and pressed into a curve. And press this down firmly and lock it. While you're right here, there's something you might want to address. Right here at the 24 mark from center, there's some gaps that are in the roof. What I do first is I go through my roof and all the little gaps and all the little holes, I take polyurethane flashing and I close them up. So I highly suggest closing up all your holes first before you do this, just because it was a factory flaw. So close your holes and you don't have any issues. So that one's in. Now to the last one. Again, bend this bar down, snug that. Okay, now your top's in place. So that is why it's the EZ-Kini. If you need any help with anything or anything was unclear, drop me a note and I'll help you as I can. Otherwise, hope you enjoy your EZ-Kini, and thanks for shopping at GotScout. Bye.